In their latest release, Hot Wheels is going digital with Hot Wheels ID. This new way of playing with iconic toy cars uses new cars imbued with NFC chips. These new cars can be scanned with the Hot Wheels ID app or the physical race portal that identifies which car is being used on the track, like a VIN number, and tallies its individual stats and opens up gameplay and customization within the Hot Wheels ID app. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, this is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. There are a few different packages you can get for Hot Wheels ID. Just purchase an ID car and scan it with the Hot Wheels ID app. Pick up the standalone race portal to use with a classic orange Hot Wheels track, or go all in with a $180 Hot Wheels ID Smart Track Kit. Today we're taking a look at the Smart Track Kit, which comes complete with 2 ID cars, 16 track pieces, the race portal, and a smart booster. It's a fully configurable starter kit for the new ID line from Hot Wheels. Packaging is pretty straightforward on the Smart Track Kit. There are a lot of pieces in here, but the boxes are labeled with numbers to easily walk you through what to take out next. And once all the pieces are out of the box, you can either set up your own track and play around with it, or get hooked up to the app and start the Smart Track campaign. The campaign builds out the track piece by piece in an easy-to-follow fashion and helps you learn about how hard to push the pump depending on the track setup. The track pieces aren't like normal Hot Wheels track. These are rigid and have a USB connection to each other. This way, when connected to a mobile device, the app can tell what configuration the track is in and guide you to the correct setup when doing missions in the Smart Track campaign. The race portal is rechargeable, so plugging it in via the included USB-A to USB Type-C cable will get it boosted back up. I found a single charge to be good for many hours of play though, so you shouldn't need to charge it very often. Next, let's check out one of the most important things of any Hot Wheels collection, the cars. To get up and running, the Smart Track set comes with 2 ID cars, and there is an assortment of other cars that you can pick up. Mattel says that they will release 51 ID cars in total in 2019 through 6 different mixes. There are classics, some have a straight from the factory look like the Aston Martin 177, and then there are more outrageous ones like the Shark Hammer 2.0. Currently, the only places to get ID cars are Amazon or Apple. I had a small Dodge Viper collection when I was younger, so I opted to stop by my local Apple store and pick up the SRT Viper, which is priced at $7. On the bottom of every car, the ID cars feature an NFC chip that lets the portal know which car is ripping around the track. If just playing digitally, you can scan the car with your mobile device to get it loaded in, or place it on the race portal. Like I said earlier, the campaign is really a great way to get to know the pieces and play around with different speeds. It can be fun to crank it up to 11 and let them fly, but the cars often do just that, fly off the track. Campaign mode instructs you to build out the track through a series of missions, and you really get a feel for what the different speeds from the booster will do to the car. There are over 100 missions to tackle and a lot of configurations to try out. Some of the missions require you to keep below a certain rev range, only use a certain number of pumps, or complete a launch goal in a short time. It just gamifies what Hot Wheels is all about even a little bit more. Another feature that I didn't really try is using the portal on old Hot Wheels tracks to complete some AR-type challenges. You can either pick up the race portal by itself or remove it from the Smart Booster, and with the included adapters, attach the classic orange Hot Wheels track. This new version of Hot Wheels also brings a new game type, Hot Wheels City. In the app, you can race your cars virtually, turning left and right on a Hot Wheels track and boosting in the straights to get the best time with 636 available races. And of course, there are in-app purchases for Hot Wheels ID to get more red lines and unlock or upgrade cars digitally. And even in its classic form, the Hot Wheels Smart Track Kit is still fun to play with without the app and missions. The booster launches cars at super fast speeds and is a lot of fun to play with. And if you're still using the ID cars, all of those launches will be tracked and uploaded into the app once you connect the portal again. Overall, the Hot Wheels ID is a fun new way to play with Hot Wheels cars. You can still use old cars as well on the track to have fun, and then boot up the app and use some ID cars to complete missions. The suggested age is 8 and up, and that's probably a good gauge to take full advantage of the booster, app, and understand how it all works together. So what do you think of this new line from Hot Wheels? Which car would you pick up first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.